They're still original.
Oh, they are? I guess the call button's new. You no. Oh, that was so rude of Jason. Anyway. Oh, they are original. I guess just the call button's modded. Anyway, Jason's in the other car. I dilly-dallied for too long and I missed it. Is he up here? He already went down. Oh, look, here's the lantern. There's no black part around it. It's just the silver. There goes that one too. Well, in the meantime, here is the hotel. It's a bit of a confusing layout. I wonder if they're interesting. So, oh no! There you go. I didn't want to miss that. One's burnt out on this. I guess he's not here. I wonder where he went. Anyway. Anyway, that's it.